Welcome back to another session of example of probability. In this example, it says of a group of patients having injuries, 28% visit both a physical therapy and a chiropractor, and 8% visit neither. Say that the probability of visiting a physical therapy exceeds the probability of visiting a chiropractor by 16%. What is the probability of a randomly selected person from this group visiting a physical therapy? Note here that in no, let me put this up. Note here that I already wrote our need. Basically, we need these tools to do the problem. So let's start with what we need to do first. We said we have the P of S, which is the sample, equal to 1. And I say A equal to a visit PT. PT means physical therapy. And B, visit CP, which is chiropractor. Then we know that A intersection B means visit physical therapy and chiropractor. A union B would be visit PT or physical therapy or chiropractor. And A union B complement would be visit none of them. Now, why did I put that? It's because you may find people who would visit only a physical therapy or only a chiropractor. Or you can find, you did find people who visited both physical therapy and chiropractor. So, and some may actually visit none of them. So, there is all these possibilities or all these probabilities. So we need to count them too. Now, what we know so far is that the probability that a person visits a physical therapist exceeds the chiropractor by 16%. So we can write probability of PT, physical therapy, equals to PCP plus 0.16. Next, we can say that PA intersection B, which I say right here, equals to 0.28. Okay. And that visiting neither PA union B complement equals to 0.08. Now, first thing we can do is we can find PA. Okay? Or let's say PT, because we say A is visiting PT and B visiting CP, so we can replace PT by PA equal to PB plus 0.16. I hope that makes sense. So we can say PB equals PA minus 0.16. So they want us to find the probability of a randomly selected person from this group visiting a physical therapist. That means they're asking us to find the probability of PA. Now, I'm going to do the rest in red for PA to find PA. So we need to find PA. Oh, come on. We need to find PA. How do we find PA now? No, so let's find PA. Find PA. So PA, we know that we have PA union B that equals to 1 minus PA union B complement. Remember from set theory, the prerequisite I told you about? So here again you're using set theory. So if you don't know the formulas and how to manipulate them, you can have trouble doing these probabilities. So PA union B equals to 1 minus PA union B complement, which is 1 minus 0.08, which is equal to 0.92. This means the probability that a person visits a chiropractor or a physical therapist, because we already find that we already have a person visiting neither one of them. So what we need to find is actually one person that is actually, what we need to find is actually a person that visits at least one of them. So PA union B would be the best formula to use. Now, we have PA union B. Remember again, PA union B also equals to PA plus PB minus PA the intersection B. Because remember, whenever you have any intersection, if the problem is not mutually exclusive, then this is the formula that you need to use. Remember that if the problem is not mutually exclusive, you have to use this union formula right here. You need to use this formula to find some of the other concepts if you don't have any other things to use. So what is PA union B? PA union B equals to 0.92, which is right here, just fine. 0.92 equals to PA plus, I'm going to say plus PA minus 0.17. And PA intersection B is minus 0.828. Now, here, I'm going to put this in blue now. This right here is PB. Because, remember, here, I wrote PB here. So instead of using PB, I use the equal of PB, which is PA minus 0.16. So we find 0.92 equals to Wait a minute. Before I do that, let me just do 2 at the same time. 0.92 plus 0.28 plus 0.16 equals to 2 PA. Which would equal to 1.36 equals to 2 PA. Now, remember we need to find PA, so PA would equal to 1.36 over 2. Then P of A equals to 0.68. So this is how we found PA. Now this one you may have to go back and read it or redo it because it's not that easy. You have to know how to use the formulas, definitely, and know which formula to use when you have a certain type of I would say example. So first we had only A union B complement, so we could find P of A union B by doing the negative formula, which is 1 minus the complement. Then you find P A union B. Remember, because it's not mutually exclusive, it's not a mutually exclusive problem, then I use the formula, which is PA union B equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B, and that I substitute PB by its value prior, which is PA minus 0.16, and that's how I found the value of PA. So this is it. That's the problem, and I hope you guys understand it. And thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't, and that's it.